Hey, I've got a really great house to show you today. This is one of my favorite models that Empire ever built. Come check out Lambert Crescent. Okay, so this is the Hudson model. It's 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,000 square feet finish plus a finished basement. The reason this model was so popular is because of the backsplit layout, which is pretty rare in these new subdivisions. So we just came in the foyer and it comes up just a few steps to this dining room. And then over here, we've got our main kitchen, living room area, open to this huge deck and gazebo. Really amazing level. So this level is why everyone likes this house so much. We're a few steps up from the main level, and you've got this private family room. These great big ceilings, this fireplace behind me, a few steps up to all your bedrooms. But check this out, we've got these double French doors out to your front balcony. So up a few more stairs to the bedroom level, we've got 3 really big bedrooms, main floor laundry, a full bathroom over here, plus behind me is the primary suite with its own ensuite and walk-in closet. Huge bonus space in a West Brant home. A lot of these homes don't have finished lower levels, but they've gone above and beyond here. They got this feature wall behind me, electric fireplace. Tucked in over here, there's a bar with double mini fridges. And another bonus of these split level homes is you've actually got a whole second storage area. It's a little half height, so you're never going to use it for a bedroom or anything, but it's the perfect place for all your boxes and everything else you need to tuck away. Enjoyed the tour of this awesome home. If you want any more information about this property or any property you see on the market, all my contact information is right below this video.